What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe, back for another one with you guys. How's it going? How's it going? Me, chilling like always. You know me. I was out earlier riding today, and it was hot. It was super hot, so I had to go home. It was a short one, you know what I'm saying? What's going on with you guys? Same shit, different day. I'm running on E right now. I gotta stop and grab some petrol. What you guys running y'all bikes? I'm only running premium over here. We only run 93, nothing less. Nothing less than premium. It went down a little bit since the pandemic, but it was high. But now it's a lot lower. We're gonna stop at Cumberland Farms. This ain't the same Cumberland Farms I always stop at, but this one works. It's a Ryker. It's different from the Spiders.
Yeah.
Alright guys, what's going on? I'm all fueled up. Woo, a little burnout for you guys. Yeah, that's my girl in front of me. I got my girl in front of me. I'm riding, I'm saying, trying to get some footage from the front. Some front footage. Oh, y'all see me? Y'all see me? This is like the time to ride. I rode earlier and it was way too hot. It was like 97 again, yo, something like that. 95, I don't know. But I know when you hit those stoplights, I can't breathe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Every time I hit a stoplight, that's how I feel. It's like I definitely need to get me a modular. I need to get me a modular helmet so I can hit the stoplights and flip over the whole front, you know what I'm saying? Or even like, you know what I'm saying, I'm riding in the city, I could go up the front, be up in the city. So guys, the other day, my dog jumped out my car window. I was coming down this street, not this street, the next street I'm about to turn on. I wasn't going fast. I was going like 8, 9, you know what I'm saying? 10. Right on this street right here, this little piece right here. So I come around the turn and he looked a little fishy. So I'm like, and this dude jumps out the window and lands on his freaking face. Like, what is wrong with you? Like, the dog's a rescue, right? So I rescued him. He was 4 months old, and like every time I want to take him for a ride, at first I had to like pick him up and then put him in the car because he was like didn't want to get in the car. And then eventually, I'm saying, taking him on some walks, so he knew what the leash was. So and then eventually I get the leash, and then he'll come over and I'll put the leash onto him and I'll bring him to the car. Still didn't want to get in. So after that, get the leash. And then eventually he started getting in on his own. And then eventually it's like, oh, you want to go for a ride? And he hops in on his own. But at first, when he first started riding, he was like a little nervous. He wasn't too up into the window. He was like, I don't know about all that wind, you know what I'm saying? So he wasn't all up in the window. Then he got a little comfortable. And then he used to just like sit on his butt and like just look out the window, not with his head out there, but like his nose right to the edge of the window. And then the next time he's a little bit more than that. He got his head out the window and he's like chilling, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, cool, you know what I'm saying? I don't mind if my dog sticks his head out the window. So then the next time after that, this dude starts putting his legs on top of the window, his front legs on top of the window. And I'm like, all right, you gotta jump out? But nope, he didn't jump out. We did a whole ride and he didn't jump out. And then this time, the last time on Sunday, I'm in the car with this dude, and he got his legs up there like he been like his new way, and I'm like watching him, and then all of a sudden, a person with a dog was walking by, and then he like stood up like he was about to jump out, but he didn't jump out, and I'm like, oh, all right, dude, you know what I'm saying? So we keep driving, and we get to that little street right there, and this dude just jumps out the window. There was no one outside, no nothing, and jumps out the window. Crazy. I'm like, dude, what is wrong with you? Like, yo, he like busted his lip right above his eye, near his eyebrow, like right there. He like busted that. I'm like, man, he ain't need no stitches or nothing, but later on that night, he walking around, he had a limp. He was limping around and stuff. He ain't want. Usually he's all excited because he's only like a year old, so he's always excited and he's got a lot of energy and stuff. The last 2 days, he been moping around like, yeah, that body's sore, huh? You ain't gonna never do that again, dummy. You know what I'm saying? Some people, you gotta let them learn the hard way, and sometimes it's dogs. But right now, headed out to see Mom Dukes. You know what I'm saying? Mom Dukes ain't see the baby yet, so going to bring the baby to see Mom Dukes. Check out my brother's pond, because he, you know what I'm saying, I had a little pond in my front yard, and this dude, my pond like 3 feet wide by like 3 feet wide by like 4 feet long and like 3 feet deep, something like that, like 2.5 feet deep. You know what I'm saying? A little something that's in the front of my house. I can't be having people fall in there and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And like, this dude, he always likes fish. He always has a fish tank in his house and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Still sees my little pond, and he goes and makes a pond. But he makes his pond 10 feet by 10 feet by like 4 feet. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, you really had to make a 10 feet square pond? Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? So, and then like, I got these plants in front of my house, and they grow like, they're like perennial, so every year it's like more and more. So he was like, yo, can I get some of those plants, and you know what I'm saying, to put around my pond? So now he got a big old pond looking nice with plants that he got from me, you know what I'm saying? And then my children go over there, my daughters go over there, they're like, oh, daddy's pond is so small. And I'm like, oh, word. Now you got them talking junk about my pond when they was loving my pond last week. Now they want to talk junk about my pond. Like, okay, you know what I'm saying? That ain't right. Talk about daddy's pond like that. Come on, man. This weather right now is nice. This is nice. It's like what, 82 it says for the weather. 82 is nice, I guess. 82, no sun. I can live with this. Dispensary. Got to get your pot. Hit up Theory Wellness. They got what you're looking for. So, the thing I was trying with this is like, I put the camera on my girlfriend's car to try to get some rear footage, you know what I'm saying? And test it out, because we're going to be going to, where are we going, the Cape? Nah, Hampton Beach or something like that. Hampton Beach or the Cape, one of them. We're going to be going one of those places soon. So I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I can grab my third camera before then. You know what I'm saying? Have the one in the front here, have the one at me, and then have that one on the car. You know what I'm saying? The 1 point, you know what I'm saying? Had 3 cameras like that. Maybe I even put that camera to the side a little bit so I could ride in like the side lane from her. Get some side shots. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all some poses. Some poses. You know, a little something different. Roger. I'm gonna let her get some distance. Let me catch up. Let's play catch up. Ain't even no distance. Oh, you gonna hit the brakes? You gonna brake check me? You gonna brake check me like that? For real? My own girlfriend brake checked me. You gotta lean in them turns, guys. You gotta lean. You gotta lean in them turns. Oh, 5-0, 12.